Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Jefferson to try to figure out at this house. Just hit the market today. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and they are asking $535,000. Buyers are already inside, and so far, it's pretty nice out here. Let's go see what the inside looks like and see. Is it worth it? We got a 1-car garage. Looks like it's got tall ceilings. Another split-foyer style home. Brick and siding. Roof looks to be in pretty good shape. Looks like there's a wasp nest up there in the corner. And overall, just really needs a good power wash job. And a cool little garden over there. Not sure what that fence is protecting because the deer will just step right over that, but looks like they've taken out some shrubbery. Let's see if I can't finagle my way through here. Little chicken run, wood storage. I'm not sure what that used to be, but back of the house, yeah, that roof looks really good. No buckling, no waving, no peeling shingles or anything. And we got our chicken coop. And looks like one of the movable sheds, I guess they're called. Temporary sheds. Cool little walkway here. Into the backyard. Little fenced area. Gravel. Let's check this HVAC out. (2002) 2002. All right. Let's head in and see what the rest looks like. They're painting the concrete steps and you need another paint job, but cool little front porch. Hardwoods, some baseboard. Big family room here. And dining room. Garage access, yep, really tall ceilings. Garage walks out. Kitchen, oh, this is really dated. Good size space. For me personally, I would blow this wall out and just extend everything over into there. Let's head up. Bathroom number 1. Good space. Fully functioning, it looks like. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. So pretty big room here. Windows are definitely older. And the master. With master bath. One thing I noticed in this master bath is that's peeling off a little bit. There's no moisture fan in here, so definitely need to crack a window or put a moisture fan in. Let's head down to the lower level. Wood paneling, lots of great light. Wood stove. Regency, I've had those, I like them a lot. Ooh, a 4-level split. This is definitely my favorite style of house because it's what I grew up in as a kid. Got a good laundry room. Bedroom number 4. Doesn't look like there's AC in here, but there is baseboard heat. Full bath number 3. Yeah, baseboard heat everywhere. There's an AC vent. There's an AC vent. Probably needs more ductwork. And then down in the 4th level is just a big open space. A cool TV down there. One heck of an electrical panel setup. I bet that's for a generator. Instructions when the power goes out. Must happen a lot. Over here we got our well pressure tank. I've not seen an age. I don't know the age of that. Sediment filter.
Hello?
UV light. Yes, sir.
You're still down there?
Yes, sir. And the sump pump. Electric water heater. 16. Pew pew safe. Oh, electric water heater timer. I got even a timer on the water heater. I should put one of those in for my kids. Pretty solid house. Needs some work, but overall, I think it's a great space. What do you think? Is it worth it?